Tim's resolve was undoubtedly to eat healthier and exercise more. But let's face it, it can be difficult to keep your weight loss resolutions. We're here today to share with you 7 straightforward suggestions that will enable you to stick to your weight loss goals. Have you prepared? Come on, let's get started. Setting attainable objectives is the first piece of advice while trying to lose weight. Set smaller, more manageable goals instead of striving for an unattainable weight loss target in a short amount of time. For instance, reducing 1–2 pounds a week is a reasonable and healthy objective. Setting achievable objectives will help you stay motivated and increase your chances of success. Create a balanced meal plan. A balanced diet is necessary for long-term weight loss. Make an effort to include full, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid excessive limitations or crash diets because they can become unsustainable over time. Always keep in mind that making healthy decisions is important. Maintaining proper hydration is the next piece of advice. In addition to keeping you hydrated, drinking enough water might help you manage your appetite. Aim to consume 8 glasses of water or more each day. To add some diversity, you can also include herbal teas or infused water. Keep in mind that staying hydrated will keep you feeling energized and support your efforts to lose weight. Get moving. Exercise is essential for weight loss. Find physical things you like to do and incorporate them into your daily routine. Find something that keeps you active and makes you feel good, whether it's dancing, going to the gym, or going on a jog. Aim for 150 minutes or more per week of moderate intensity exercise. Keep in mind that every little bit counts. Practice portion control with tip number 5. Portion control is essential for weight loss. Be aware of your serving sizes and make an effort to avoid taking too many. You can deceive your brain into thinking you're full with less food by using smaller plates and bowls. Pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Eat more slowly and thoroughly, and quit when you are completely satisfied. Tip 6. Maintain a food journal. A food journal is an effective weight loss strategy. It aids in raising your awareness of your eating practices and pointing out any areas that require development. Record everything you consume, including the amount of each meal and beverage. You can also keep a journal of your thoughts and feelings towards food. You'll learn useful information about your eating habits and develop more thought. Enter all of your meals, snacks, and drinks in your food journal. Be truthful and precise when describing the serving sizes. You can also write down your feelings and thoughts about eating. It's a potent method to comprehend your relationship with food and develop more thoughtful decision-making. Remember, exercising portion control doesn't necessitate deprivation or constant hunger. Finding balance and eating more healthfully are the goals. You'll be well on your way to losing weight by being aware of portion sizes and paying attention to your body. Tip 7. Be accountable and look for help. Last but not least, keeping yourself accountable and getting help can go a long way toward helping you stick to your weight reduction resolutions. Join a weight loss community or discuss your objectives with a friend or member of your family. Having a support system to discuss your achievements, struggles, and accomplishments with can inspire you and keep you on course. Never forget that you are not traveling alone. That concludes our list of 7 straightforward suggestions for achieving your weight loss goals. Keep in mind that losing weight is a journey that calls for tolerance, perseverance, and self-acceptance. Be nice to yourself and acknowledge even the smallest triumphs along the path. Please share this video if you